Welcome back to a new tutorial on nuclear versus renewable. In this video, we will learn why people are concerned about nuclear power, the advantages and disadvantages of renewable energy resources, and how to evaluate the use of different energy resources. People should use fewer fossil fuels to stop global warming, as we have learned before. Should people rely on nuclear power or renewable energy in the future? Recall that nuclear power is the use of nuclear reactions to produce electricity, and renewable energy is the energy generated from natural processes which are continuously replenished. Now, what are nuclear power advantages? The nuclear power has advantages such as it doesn't emit greenhouse gases, unlike fossil fuels. 1 kilogram of nuclear fuel, such as uranium, produces millions of times more energy than 1 kilograms of fossil fuels, such as coal. Now let's talk about nuclear energy disadvantages. First, like fossil fuels, nuclear fuels are non-renewable energy resources, meaning it's available in limited quantities. 2. Nuclear waves remain radioactive, and it's dangerous to our health, so it must be stored safely. And 3. Nuclear reactors are safe in normal operations. However, an explosion in a reactor could release radioactive material over a wide area. This would affect this area for many years.